guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nelson the Great. Today I'm going to talk about 10 ways on how you can make money at home during this COVID season. So welcome. So many people have lost jobs during this season, and close to 30% of people are going through hard time. So I'm going to discuss about those ways that you can choose and start earning something online. So before you proceed, wait for the intro. So before you delve into those ways, you must have a platform whereby you can be sent money through, and those platforms are known as the online payment options. So the number one payment option, we have the PayPal. I know most of you know PayPal. PayPal is common, and don't forget it's worldwide. The number two one is Payoneer. Payoneer is also worldwide. Then number three, we also have Skrill. Skrill is also an online payment platform that you can get money through it. So let us delve into those ways. Number one, we have online tutor. So you can teach online on anything that you wish, like may it be biology, chemistry, history, computer studies, science, and so forth. So for you to teach well online, you must have the following equipment. Number one, a video camera. Number two, microphone. Number three, good lighting system. Number four, we have online interface for you to host your digital content. That is, for instance, Twitter, Facebook, Skype, and YouTube. And then you can outsource your client from online. You can also search websites online for you to join, and you can take an exam there. If you are chosen, you can start earning there and so forth. Okay. Number two, we have blogging. So blogging is whereby you can write anything that you are good at. May it be boxing, may it be eating, cooking, running, judo, and so forth. So you can start a blog that you can get money from it while you are teaching anything that you feel like, just at the seat on your couch. So while blogging, you need to create a blog, and you also have some steps that you need to follow. So step number one, select a perfect niche for your blog. Number two, choose a blogging platform. Number three, pick a domain name. Number four, get a web hosting account. Number five, start a blog on that hosting account. Then select a theme for you to design your blog. A theme is just a homepage where people visit, and it should be attractive. And number seven, you can now write your content and promote your blog. And finally, make money by blogging. So you can start earning from your blog simply by monetizing your blog through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, through ads, and finally through partnering with different brands, so that you can monetize your blog. And then number three, you have freelance writing. Anybody can write, and remember, you can write anything that you wish, but remember, writing also needs passion. You must be passionate about your writing skills for you to earn something online. So at your free time you can write anything, and for you to write well, you must have the following requirement with you. So clearly state the purpose of you on anything that you need to write. Develop the idea that you need to write. Logically organize your work or your idea as well. Complete sentences should be the key. Make sure your sentences are so complete for them to be meaningful. And then have a standard usage of grammar, punctuation and spelling, then correct documentation, and finally be a critical thinker. And then you must have a computer or laptop, and finally a strong internet for you to start writing online. You can outsource your work from direct clients, that is online, through forums, through Facebook, through Twitter, and so forth. You can also outsource your work from Upwork. Most of you are familiar with Upwork. You can also outsource your work from Freelancer, from Fiverr, and many other websites online. You can just Google. And then number 4, that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's product or company's product, and you can get the affiliate links from the company or from the people you want to promote their product by requesting the portal or the URL from them, and then you can promote the link through your blogs, through your online forums, through the social media platform, that is Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so forth, etc. You can join any company to do the affiliate marketing, and the most common companies that are there in the world, we have the ClickBank, the Amazon Associates, we have JVZoo, the eBay, and Digistores. So just go there and choose anything that you are good at, ask them the link, and promote the link for you to earn a commission. And then number 5, we have the YouTube. Most of you are familiar with YouTube. So in YouTube, just decide on anything that you are good at, and then decide on the keywords. Write a captivating keyword, and then also make sure you also have a captivating thumbnail, so you are good to go. And then you can now start promoting your channel for you to get subscribers. Remember, for you to start earning on YouTube, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers, and finally you must have 4,000 hours watch time. So wish you well in your journey. Number 6, digital marketing. This is whereby you use the internet, mobile devices, social media platforms, search engines, and other channels to reach out to your customers. You can promote your product and earn money. Your product can be either clothes, shoes, ebooks, a course, and anything that you can promote. So you can outsource your clients anywhere online. Number 7, we have reselling your old stuff. You can sell anything that is old in your house to get some money that you can use to run your budget in your house. You can use online selling platforms that are available. For instance, we have Depop, we have eBay, we have Amazon, and Craigslist. Number 8, we have online surveys. You can do a survey online and earn a commission, or earn a few dollars or a few cents and so forth. For you to earn more money on surveys, you should join more surveys and earn something. And remember, you must reach a threshold for you to start withdrawing amount from. Number 9, Google AdSense. Go to Google and search Google AdSense and create your account there. You can link your blog, YouTube, and other website, and you can start monetizing them and get paid there. Number 10, we have podcasting. Podcasting is simply a series of on-demand digital audio files that you'll often focus on a particular topic or theme. For you to have a good podcast, you need the following equipments: a good microphone, headphones, a pop filter, a boom, a Skype account, that is for interviews. We have recording and editing software, ID3 editor, a podcast hosting account, a design software, a vanity URL, that is a uniform resource locator, for you to start a podcast. So I wish you well in any of the available niches. So choose the niche that is good and you can start earning from it and so forth. You can earn as much as thousands of dollars daily or monthly as you put in more effort and input. So learn on any available niches and do well on it. I wish you well.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through